We continue the verbs which is related to foot and leg in this video. The first two characters are
跑
and,
衝
meaning run and rush respectively. See the examples.
跑步跑步機跑鞋衝突衝浪佢跑返學校，然後衝入課室。佢跑返學校，然後衝入課室。
Next character is
跳
meaning jump. For example,
跳高跳遠跳降落傘跳樓跳水。新聞報告講又有一名中學生跳樓，香港嘅教育政策認真有問題。新聞報告講又有一名中學生跳樓，香港嘅教育政策認真有問題。
There are three characters meaning step or stride. In written form, it is
跨
In spoken form, it is
攬
or another writing way. See the examples below.
跨欄跨步向前自跨大步攬過
It implies luckily overcoming a difficulty or crisis.
我以為肥佬啦，點知喺大考啱合格，總算大步攬過。我以為肥佬啦，點知喺大考啱合格，總算大步攬過。
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.